Good morning, welcome to Mr. Harrington's How to Scale an Image Using GIMP video. Very simple. But first of all, let's open the image. Open it. I would open it wherever you stored it. Oh, let's cancel there. File. Open. And it should be in your GIMP folder. Everything you do goes in your GIMP folder. GIMP. Not hard to do. And open the work. The image you've just saved. There it is. Obviously, they are needing to be resized if they're too big. To resize image, we scale it. Scale the image up or down to whatever height or width you were told. I'll put in 500 there, and it automatically adjusts the height. Okay, that link there makes it adjust the height. 500 pixels, click scale. Not hard to do. You'll be then told to save it. Give it a different name, or you will overwrite the one you've just done. 960. I could call this small at the end. Obviously, don't overwrite the XCF. Just stick the small on the end of the name and save. Okay, do that for each program or each file you have given a different size to and save it. You have then